Welcome. If you're tired of getting IGTV notifications popping up on your Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off IGTV notifications directly from your phone settings. This method is quick, straightforward, and works no matter what phone you're using. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your main settings menu. This is where you can control how apps behave on your device, including notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on the option labeled Apps. On some phones, this might be called Applications or App Management, but it always leads you to a list of all the apps installed on your device. Once you're in the Apps section, look for Instagram. The list is usually in alphabetical order, so just scroll until you find it, then tap on Instagram to open its settings. Inside Instagram settings, you'll see a section called Notifications. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you can manage all the different types of notifications Instagram sends to your phone. Now tap on Notification Categories. This will show you a detailed list of every notification type Instagram uses, including likes, comments, direct messages, and, of course, IGTV. Scroll through the list until you find IGTV. Once you see it, you'll notice a toggle switch next to Allow Notifications. If the switch is turned on, that means notifications are currently allowed. Simply tap the switch to turn it off. And that's it. You've just disabled IGTV notifications for Instagram. From now on, you won't get any more alerts about IGTV videos popping up on your device. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and flip the switch back. This way, you're always in control of what you see and when you see it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your social media experience.